What's up, guys? Today we are back in the shop. I know you guys are probably getting tired of me working on stuff and y'all just ready for riding videos, but I was recording a riding video and the first mud hole I hit, we twisted that rear drive shaft, man. Twisted it, broke the U-joint, and I busted this boot. It's leaking grease everywhere, so today, instead of riding, we're going to be putting an extra rear drive shaft I have in there. Yay. So, I'm probably going to get all this pulled apart. And then, yeah. Well, we got the rear diff completely out. I got my drive shaft out. I'll show you all exactly how it broke. So here's my drive shaft, and this is the diff side. It literally just cracked the U-joint and slung it out of here. I don't know if I can buy a new U-joint and rebuild this. I imagine I can, and that's probably what I'm gonna do, is rebuild this drive shaft to have a spare. But my buddy had a used front diff, a used rear diff, and a rear drive shaft that's pretty new. So I bought both the diffs and I bought this drive shaft, and this is the drive shaft that we are, in fact, about to put in. So let's set y'all back up with the time lapse, and let's get this put back together. So I got the rear end back together. That side is completely ready for the wheel to go back on, but on this side, I'm still messing with this caliper. It's time for some new brake pads with it, because there's no pad left. It's been metal to metal for a while now. So I got some new pads. These are the ones I need. Brand new. So I'm gonna try and get this caliper compressed, get the brakes bled, and then have brakes. So I will catch y'all whenever everything is completely together. Everything's back together. Rear drive shafts and all that's good. I went and rode it around for a minute. Ignore that. Don't look at that. But yeah, it's all together. It rides good. I don't know if I said anything about this, but I finally got some new bumper caps. Now it doesn't look all goofy. And also got new ones on the front. Right here, I have a new front grille because the plastic threads on the back side of this grille are broke, so that headlight just kind of dangles there. And then I also have a new skid plate because that's all cracked up and ruined. It's all in the house, so that will probably be the next video that I upload, or we're going riding this weekend on the pipeline. So I hope you guys all enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, because I answer all the comments. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.